Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to underline text in Google Chat. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To underline text in Google Chat, open your browser and go to Google Chat, and on left side menu bar you will find the list of your chat friends. Just select a chat friend, and on typing area you will find an icon called formatting options. Click on formatting options, and here you will find an icon U for underline. Click on underline. Now type your text. I am typing IT System Admin. Look, the text I am typing is become underlined. Just click on send. Look, all text are underlined right now. This is the easiest way to make text underline in Google Chat. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.